Comes the V-line N-class locomotive. You might be able to see the signal in the background. This one, see where the blue light is, and then look at the blue light, there's a red light behind it, flashing. About here, tip of my finger, it's a red light flashing. That's the loco coming around from the tunnel. It's coming around the big bend and it's going to enter the South Geelong. So in Geelong here in Australia, got bends, a bend there, and then a bend behind me. It's holding the Leslie RS5T or S5T on. Here it comes, you see the lamp coming around the bend. That's the best sound of N-classes right here in Australia. And they use American horns, so that's why it sounds awesome.
From Melbourne going through to Warrnambool, it will stop Marshall, Ponds, Winchester, Berwick, Colac, Camden and Terang, Sherwood Park, through to Warrnambool where it will turn.
I'll blow it again, probably soon.
Again, this train now arriving is the train going through to Warrnambool.
You call that one a horn show? I think he's got a double header on the front. I think it's double headed. I don't know if it is or not, but it looks like a double header. N467 with a PH wagon behind the loco. Was rare of these locos.